What's up guys, and welcome back to Mile High Customs. Today we have this Tesla Model X in for the works. This vehicle does belong to a repeat client of ours. We originally did a full chrome delete on this. This is the 2020 model before Tesla updated everything and started coming out with gloss black trim from the factory. So we did do a full chrome delete in satin black, as well as some window tint on the two front windows and the windshield. We're gonna be doing a full vinyl wrap in APA's satin metal Levante blue. Really nice color. As you can see, some of the panels are already complete. We're also gonna be adding full body paint protection film on top of it to help preserve and protect the vinyl wrap. We're also gonna be doing a couple other things. We're gonna be smoking out the headlights, the tail lights. We have some new wheels and tires for this vehicle. It's gonna be getting some ceramic coating, and it's also gonna be getting some touch-ups on the chrome delete. We have Rudy and Mohammed working on this vehicle. So far, the whole entire passenger is all complete. It's looking really good, and the driver's side is in progress. We just have a couple more panels, and then we can go ahead and start clear brawling this vehicle.
All right guys, we're gonna be wrapping the rear door on this Tesla Model X. Take it your way. Okay, we're gonna be stretching it onto the door and just slapping it on. All right, so we're gonna be stretching out this corner here with some heat to get rid of all the little creases that are inside of it. All the imperfections go away once you touch it with heat. All right, so on the bottom here, since there's a lot of stretch, we're going to be lifting it up and actually laying it into the body. What is it called? What is it called? Curvature. The curve? Body curves. So we're gonna be feeding it into the body curve so that it's not stretched and it's less likely to fail. Oh yeah, bro, it goes millimeter by millimeter, bro. Why not?
That's what happens when I don't go millimeter, Peter.
And then for the bottom here, we're just gonna stretch it downwards. While Ahmed's doing that back door over there, we're gonna go ahead and lay this hood. All right, so after you lay the hood, we need to tack something in the middle so that it has some grip. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually pull all this up so that the fingers are off of the car. We're gonna use heat to get rid of all the imperfections and all the little creases that are in the film. And this is also gonna make it so that we can stretch it and glass out the film so that we can squeegee it, and we're all happy. finished product, My High Custom Special. We got it all blued out, you know, white from white to blue.
What's good, guys? We just threw on the front bumper to the Tesla Model X. We're getting it all ready and prepped for installation of the vinyl. As you can see, we already have a couple of seams on the front bumper. That way we don't have to stretch that much in those deep areas. We also taped off the fenders. That way no existing vinyl gets damaged while we're removing the bumper after. All right, let's get started.
Quick progress update on the Tesla Model X. We are all finished up with the vinyl wrap, and now it's time to do the full body paint protection film. Fred's completed just about, I'd say maybe 40% of the vehicle. All of the doors and the quarter panels are complete. We just have the front end and the rear end. Overall, it's looking really good. We also have Robert working on putting the vehicle all back together. When putting the stealth paint protection film over the satin vinyl wrap, it's not really gonna change up the color too much. You might see a little bit of a shade difference. However, since we are doing the full vehicle, you really won't tell any difference in shade or anything like that. The stealth paint protection film matches up pretty well with the satin finish as well as the matte finish. So far, this vehicle is looking absolutely crisp. The blue with the blacked out headlights and taillights is looking really good. And then we also have the wheels and tires that we still need to install. Hopefully we'll have this vehicle done in a couple days, and we'll show you guys the progress as we go along. So quick progress update on the Tesla Model X. Not too many people know that you can ceramic coat vinyl. Ceramic coating when it first came out is mostly meant for paint. However, over the years, it's definitely developed and transformed. You can ceramic coat vinyl as well as paint protection film. Obviously on this one, we vinyl wrapped it and then put the paint protection film over it. The ceramic coating has a couple benefits. The first one is that it has a UV protectant in it, so it'll help it from fading in the sun and getting any sun damage, anything like that. The second benefit that it has is it creates a hydrophobic layer on top of the surface, so it's gonna make it much easier to clean and maintain, and overall it just makes the vehicle look a lot cleaner. got the Tesla Model X all complete. This vehicle got the full MHC treatment. And when I say full treatment, everything got touched. We got the full vehicle wrapped up in a satin blue. We did full body stealth paint protection film to help protect the vinyl wrap from rock chips, scratches, and other road debris. We also ceramic coated the full body. We got some new Boston wheels on it. The wheels are ceramic coated. We also previously tinted the vehicle, the sides, including the front windshield. We also did a full chrome delete in satin black. We smoked out the headlights, the taillights, and much, much more. Overall, this vehicle is looking absolutely incredible and the customer is gonna be in love with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and we will see you guys next time.